Hi everyone, I'm Bharti Puri this side and I'm coming to you with my bare face to talk about my Ladakh winter skincare. So currently it's been 3 years now of me coming regularly to Ladakh because of my husband's work in Ladakh. That is why I get the opportunity to visit this beautiful place called Ladakh. And over time, I have noticed the harsh weather over here. It's a very beautiful place, but the weather can be harsh, fluctuating. Sometimes it gets hot, sometimes it gets very cold. The sun is very harsh, so you need to wear sunglasses all the time when you visit over here. You need a strong sunscreen, that is very important, and a good moisturizer. So my skincare is very basic and simple, and it is something over time in my 3 years experience of visiting Ladakh. This is something that I wanted to share with you finally. So my skin type is a combination of sensitive, oily skin, and I do get occasional hormonal breakouts. So whatever I'm going to share with you is all tried and tested for many years. So twice a week, I like to use basin. Yes, you heard me right. Basin powder, which is available in our kitchen. So I like to use that for my face, for my body, just to scrub off as an exfoliator. And then the Bioderma Sebum face wash that I love using. This is recommended to me by my dermatologist. It is the only face wash right now which works for my skin type. This face wash is slightly on the expensive side, but a little goes a long way and it's one of my favorite. After washing my face, I like to go for the moisturizer. In Leh Market in Ladakh, I have seen the Cetaphil moisturizing cream which is available, but not the CeraVe one. But all of the skincare products that I'm showing you over here is available online. Here I'm using the Cetaphil one. Cetaphil one is one of my favorite. It has no scent. It's dermatologically tested. I highly recommend this moisturizing cream by Cetaphil. It's one of my favorite, suits sensitive skin type and great for Ladakh weather. Whenever you guys land in Ladakh, one thing you will notice is the harsh sun. I highly recommend anyone who comes to Ladakh to carry a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes and to carry a strong, good sunscreen. So here I'm using the hydrating sunscreen because hydration is something which is very important for the skin whenever you guys come to Ladakh. So I'm using the Dot and Key Skincare Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen, which is long lasting moisture with SPF 50 PA++++. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen and it has hyaluronic acid with 5 ceramides. So it's a sunscreen that is actually suiting my skin, so I'm using it. It is affordable, easily available. If you guys are using online, it is available, but in Ladakh, I've noticed that I have not noticed this particular sunscreen, but any sunscreen will do whatever suits your skin. And most importantly, the last step which should not be missed is lip care. So I'm using the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips from the Vaseline Lip Tints range, and it's one of my favorite. This is my second tin, and a little goes a long way. I highly recommend, if you're a man or a woman, lip balm is something that everyone needs for their lips. This is great for the harsh winter months. If your lips are feeling super cracked and painful, this lip balm is definitely going to help. I hope this video was useful for you all, and if you really liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching.